Okay, you're dealing with it's an eight-sided figure. That's an octagon. Um, in order to find out how many, let me say, hold on one second now. Okay, so for that one, you're going to use the formula n minus 2, and you're going to multiply that by 180 degrees, and that's going to 180 degrees. That's going to give you how much the total is. That's going to give you the total. Now, we know that you have n is how many angles you have. You have 8 angles. You got 8 angles, right? So 8's going to go in place of n. So what you have is 8 minus 2 times 180. So 8 minus 2 is going to give you 6, right? Times 180. So we got 1,080 degrees total. So you got the total being 1,080 degrees. So if you add up all of the angles, if you add up x plus, and you just go start at x. Remember how we did earlier and you skipped one? Look up there. Start at x where I'm at right here, and just work your way clockwise where you don't skip one. So x plus 160 plus 125 plus 135 plus 135 again plus 125 again plus 130 plus 125 again. All that equals up to what? It all adds up to 1,080, right? Uh-huh. And we add all of those up, we get 935 plus x. Wait on a second. When we added up 160, 125, 135, 135, 125, 130, and 125, we put all those together, we get 935 plus x equals 1,080. That's the total. So how do you find out how do you get x by itself at the bottom? You subtract 935. I know you know how to do your algebra. You subtract 935. Uh, so you subtract 935 from it, and we're going to borrow one here. 7 minus 3 is 4, and 10 minus 9 is 145. So your x value is 145 degrees. And that's it. Okay, so for this one here, you got a five-sided figure. You're still using the same formula, n minus 2 times 180. So instead of n, we're going to plug in, since 5 sides or 5 angles, 5 minus 2 times 180. That's 3 times 180. So when we multiply those together, we get 540 degrees. So when you set it up, you're going to set it up as all these angles. So 112 plus 115 plus 82 plus 3x plus 4x, and all that together equals the total 540. When you put all those together, you put your like terms together, 112, 115, and 82, you get 309. And when you put your other like terms, 3x and 4x together, you get 7x. So you got 7x plus 309 equals 540. Subtract 309 on both sides, and you get 7x equals 231. And then divide by 7, you get x equals 33. Okay, so this one you're dealing with a six-sided figure. You're going to use the same formula, n minus 2 times 180. Again, it's not divided by n because it's not a regular polygon. That's what you keep trying to do. You're going to plug in 6 since it's 6 sides in place of n. So 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180. When you multiply those together, you get 720. That's the total degree, 720. Now you got to add up all of your angles, 120 plus 90 plus 135 plus 135 plus 130 plus 90 one more time plus the x that you don't know. That equals this total right here, 720. When you put all your like terms together, you got 120, 90, 135, 135, and 90. When you put all those together, you get when you put all those together, you get 570 plus x equals 720, and then to get x by itself, you know that you got to subtract 570 on both sides. So x equals 150 degrees.